Mrs. Brown's Children, a Bonnie book. Oh, back to Kennesaw, Wisconsin. Oh, copyright 1957. This house belongs to Mrs. Brown, the tidiest housewife in town. Open the door and take a look and see what happens in this book. At the left is Mary Jane, sweet as candy, fresh as rain. Then big brother Tom and sister Sue, a dog, a cat, and baby too. Here they are, so clean and neat. Don't you think they're very sweet? But wait an hour, you'll see. Dear me, who can those children be? Mud on their clothes, mud on their skins, mud on their knees, mud on their chins. For Mary Jane and Sue are baking lovely mud pies they are making. And although they say they're cooking, they're very, very muddy looking. They go through the kitchen door, mud on the walls, mud on the floor. What is that on the kitchen sink? Just mud? Oh dear, it looks like ink. Into the bathtub they must go. Perhaps they'll be clean for an hour or so. Tom went sliding to first base, got dirty clothes and a dirty face. So Tom is washing up with soap. The dirt will come off, we hope, and so does his mother. Then baby tries to feed the cat. Down goes his milk, just look at that. There's spinach on his bib and chair, more spinach on his hands and hair. Now it's time for baby's tubbing. He doesn't mind a little rubbing. And then we'll pop him into bed, shining and clean from toes to head. Tom puts on another suit, other stockings, other boots. Susie washed and dressed with care, put fresh ribbons in her hair. And Mary Jane is cleaned up too. She's wearing pink instead of blue. What can Butch the dog be doing? He's quiet. Mischief may be brewing. Sure enough, here he comes back, leaving, oh, such muddy tracks. He has a big bone that he dug and buries it under the kitchen rug. Poor Mrs. Brown just washed the floor, but now she mops it up once more. She wipes the fingerprints. Is that all? No, one more on the kitchen wall. She's glad the weather is so fine. Soon clothes are drying on the line. She washes Butch, she washes Kitty. They feel so proud and look so pretty. The bathroom towels look pretty black. She takes them down and puts fresh ones back. Now everything is clean, you see. Oh dear, who can these children be?